Clear.
Probably don't have to have it to it.
That's good.
Traffic helicopter 4026 Echo departing runway 18 Mexico.
Zulu weather, wind 100 at 6 visibility.
Yeah, it is. The winds are out of the east now. They've changed. And we'll do a short takeoff, get out of the area, fly around a little bit, and
Mexico traffic helicopter 4026 Echo departing to the north. Mexico.
Give standard tanks.
Takeoff fuel is clear of the active.
there are two 11-gallon tanks. Large, long range.
Is that long range? Okay.
Yeah. All right, we're going to do a run up here. This is a Rotax, 100 horse Rotax. Checking at 4,000. Controls clear and free. We got fuel. Sorry about the knee. Put the flaps down one notch. Okay.
Seems funny to see water temp.
I know it. If you might want to try to, yep, there you go. And Mexico traffic, experimental 6128 Quebec is going to be departing runway 06. Will be a dark departure for a local flight for Mexico.
The way the wind was, you could take it off here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Not much wind, it's just a variable more than anything. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Mexico traffic, Cirrus 959 Golf Kilo, taxiing runway 6 for eastbound departure.
Quick takeoff. Basically, you had full power, you're ready to get the nose off and then climb out. Excellent visibilities.
Yeah, I understand this does real well in crosswinds.
Oh yeah, there's no issue there at all.
So, does this stall or is it just mush?
It just mushes. Yeah, it just floats like a leaf down. Well, John, you're here at the Rudder workshop. How you think it's been going since you started at 9 o'clock?
Fantastic. I guess we're going to get the rudder done way before I thought we would.
Yeah, it's about a 7 to 8 hour, project to build the rudder. You can always string it out, 10, 12 hours, but yeah, it's about an 8 hour project.
But you're right in that you really got to follow the directions, read through it one time first.
618.
Yeah, that's what
you understand an overall what you're doing, and then come back and do it specifically.
And that's exactly what she said, so you all are in tune with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And you need to, you don't want to make any mistakes or waste the time. You have to back up all the time. If you go through one, sentence directions and then to check that off, go to the next instructions.
And if I have any problems, I can always call it.
Oh yeah, you call anytime. I got some customers call me daily, some I don't ever hear from. So
yeah. I've always wanted to follow that.
Right.
Just landed grass strips all the way out.
That would be fun, wouldn't it?
Throw a tent over the wing and,
Got excellent visibility. Let me do a turn my way. See right over the skylight there. See the skylight?
Oh yeah. Amazing. Great visibility. Like the bubble doors you guys put in.
Yeah, that's a 3-inch bubble door. Roll out on the heading, we'll do one this way. My flight, go ahead. That's very light, so it flies like this.
We're going to make a left turn, a right turn, I'm sorry.
Pull back on the stick a little bit when you do that. There you go.
First time, Seminole, 3 Tango, turning left, downwind, runway 8.
There you go. And turn that way.
Pull it up a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead and turn it that way. We'll kind of head towards the northeast.
Are these, what do you call it? Are these cable connected or what?
Yeah, well, ailerons are, go ahead and turn this way. And ailerons are push rods.
Okay.
Rudders are cables, and elevator is cable.
Okay, all right.
Gee, you're doing great. And then the rest of the airplane, like the wings and stuff, just like building the rudder, it's just a bigger section. Yeah, very easy to build. Just a bigger section, takes a little bit more time. All right, well, we'll head back and we'll do a nice landing and
Well, I think the 701's ideal for me. You know, at my age, I just don't want to. You know, the 750 is not going to give you that much more speed. It'll give you some, but
not much.
It's not going to. You know, and then you have to burn. You might have to burn aviation for fuel,
Right.
or you have to.
you really need a bigger engine. You need, yeah, it just starts. Yes, I like the 701.
Yeah. This is your personal plane?
It is, yeah.
Did you build it?
I did, yes.
Oh,
back
great.
in '98.
Yeah. It's a great little plane. And I'm just putting, my basic avionics are just going to run me around 6,500.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you need the ADSB and the transponder.
Right.
And, you know, I'll get a Garmin GPS. And
Right.
that's about it. Radio. And most of these are, you don't have an EFIS in here, do you?
No.
So,
Nope, I'm just steam gauges, and if I, you know, go on across country, I've got a GPS on my phone, I just use that.
okay. All right. So these are, they're all analog, aren't they?
Yeah.
No, that's good. Yeah, that's pretty simple. Well, my 210 was old, so it had,
Right.
you know, I was following VORs, you know?
Yeah.
I like the sound of that road tax. I thought that would be a different sound.
It's not that much different.
What are you running, about 5? Or?
About, right now, 5,000.
Uh-huh. Is that what you normally run it at cross country? And what, takeoff is what, 65?
57. 57.
Oh, 57. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can run continuous at 5,500 RPM. Mexico, traffic experimental 6128 Quebec is 2 miles to the north inbound landing from runway 06 Mexico.
Are these the smaller Thunder tires on this? Or?
These are the bigger 21-inch option.
21.
I like them. They're a little bit taller, so it's a little bit more proud, and it's a little better quality tire too for what you get.
Okay. I think that's what I'm going to order is 21.
Yeah.
Well, I like the visibility. You look straight down.
Yeah.
What's your altitude here?
We're about 800 feet above ground.
Okay.
And Mexico traffic, Springville 6128 Quebec, be in our left downwind for 06 Mexico. All right. It's set up here on the downwind, and so beam the numbers, delete off the airspeed, get in the white, put a notch of flaps. Mexico traffic, Springville 6128 Quebec is base to final 406 Mexico.
You have a fun job.
Well, thank you. I enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Trying to get it slowed down here. Just hold it, hold it. Hey, that was just hold it, hold it, hold it. Just kind of like an elevator, bringing it down.
Okay.
And you can do a flat approach, but you tend to eat a lot of runway if you do that, and I mean a lot. It's like, 50, 64 feet than you should, not hundreds. What'd you think?
Quite a plane. It'll take a little getting used to, but I'm real excited. I think, sure, this is one I'm going to get.
Okay.